Here's an Impala. We have one of our naturally aspirated 572s in. American Racing rims, Hotchkiss suspension, Bear brakes. Got dual 3-inch exhaust with some stall headers. 6-speed transmission. Take a look at the interior. Jerry Covington Customs. Pretty much all stock with a tack and a 6-speed. Business. Pretty nice little sound in 572. Alright, let's go for a ride. That's what it's all about. Alright, let's talk about the motor here. So this is a naturally aspirated 572. Got a 6-speed trans in this. 9-to-1 compression. This particular customer uses it as his daily driver. Makes 750 horsepower. 730 foot-pounds of torque. Throw it in 6, push cruise. So that's what we're doing right now. We're going to take it for a little cruise. Show you guys how nice it is. Flips the throttle. 5,000 plus pound car. It picks it up like it's not even there. This particular engine is a super strong engine. It's a workhorse. Click it into 6th. Motor's on an 1800 RPM hub. You got more torque than you know what to do with in any gear. I mean, you can roll it on at 6 in this thing and the car just moves. You can never get that from what you're buying in the factory today. And the sound is just sweet. It just put you to sleep at night. Wow.